And on the next episode of Backyard Mechanic, we will be repairing this 98 Sea-Doo. I know that it needs a starter and a battery cable. We'll go from there. Cloud's way over there. It's raining here. So I don't even remember that cloud being over us. So welcome to my YouTube channel, everybody. Good morning. Today we get to change the starter on this 1989 Sea-Doo. The first problem I found was the battery connection. Battery's back here. Positive cable right here has no end on it, so we'll put an end on it. Once we get the end put on there, then we'll try cranking it. But bear with me a minute. I'll strip this wire off a little bit. My strippers for this size wire are over there, and we're probably going to need metric tools today, and I haven't put anything away from the Cub Cadet project or the Camaro project, and all that was standard. I'll go see if I can find an end. I'll put you on time lapse, but we're going to replace this and then I'll take you off time lapse. As you can see, okay, so the battery died and it came up SD card error. We got a battery cable fixed back here. I changed out the wire end and put that back. Had this box cover off, got in there and checked out the starter solenoid. Fuel has to be turned on and off manually. This has been converted over to mix instead of premix. Here's the premix. It goes down into the pump. But starter button was bad, so we released the starter button, and the wire had all this apart. It ran the wire back down through here and all the way down into this right here. Now I need to take the pins out of this and put them in there so that this is watertight. Now as soon as I find something small enough to hit that little clip, which you can see right here, these have clips right there. You need to squeeze them clips in order to pull this out of here. So I'm going to work on that. Button up the rest of this. I got it to where it'll run. That's why the gas was on. We have our emergency safety thing in here. We're not riding it, but let's try it out. One click starts it, and then the second click will shut it off. Oh, it won't do it. Sorry. Anyways, before I get in there, I'll show you before my camera dies. Yellow's got to go to yellow. Yellow and red go in here. And your black goes in here. right? Here's a picture of the dash. Now one click starts it. We'll choke out a little bit. Wowby! Get the gas is off. Let's turn the gas back on and see if that makes a difference. All right. Oh, that would help. Really? It is flooded. That thing was flooded. It's very important to shut that fuel off, that's for sure. So that's where we're at. We're going to change this plug and try putting you on time lapse again. Okay, I think we got it ready for the water. Finished picking up the tools on this side, but let's try her out one time. Idle went out because it's a two-stroke and I have the fuel shut off, but can't run them too long without any water. So when it was flooded, that was it. I believe it was only hitting on one cylinder. Project for today completed. 19 98 Sea-Doo GS